Hello, and welcome back to Nutri Delights. Sleep, it's something we all need but often struggle to get enough of. Did you know that your quality of sleep impacts everything from your brain's sharpness to your immune system's strength? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating science behind sleep and sharing practical, research-backed tips to help you rest better. If you're tired of being tired, stick around. Are you waking up groggy, no matter how long you sleep? Feeling like your energy just never catches up? The secret to better sleep lies in understanding the science behind it. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to finally wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. Let's get started. Why sleep matters. 1. Sleep and cognitive function. Sleep is like a reset button for your brain. When you get quality rest, your brain can process and store memories better, sharpen focus, and make more thoughtful decisions. Missing out on sleep? You're risking foggy thinking and forgetfulness. 2. Sleep and physical health. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. It's during this time that your immune system strengthens, hormones balance out, and muscles recover after exercise. Athletes who prioritize sleep often perform better. On the flip side, neglecting sleep can lead to sluggishness, weight gain, and weakened immunity. 3. The cost of sleep deprivation. Chronic sleep deprivation is more than just feeling tired. It's linked to a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. Fatigue and irritability can strain your relationships and productivity, making sleep a key factor in overall happiness. Practical tips to optimize your sleep. 1. Create a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a sleep haven, cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, noise machines, or comfortable bedding to enhance your environment. 2. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. 3. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Instead, opt for sleep-friendly snacks like almonds, bananas, or chamomile tea. 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in calming activities before bed. Yoga, meditation, or simply reading a book can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 5. Limit screen time. The blue light from your devices can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Switch off screens at least an hour before bedtime and consider using blue light blocking glasses if needed. A good night's sleep is more than just resting, it's a critical investment in your health, mood, and performance. By understanding the science of sleep and making small adjustments to your routine, you can transform the way you feel every day. Thank you for watching Nutri Delights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could use better sleep in their life. Remember, a well-rested you is a healthier, happier you. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.